Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Nancy Wheeler from Stranger Things, but in our funny retro cartoon style, inspired by classic rubber hose animation. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps our cartoon universe expanding. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's turn Nancy into a brave, retro-styled action heroine ready for the final showdown. Start with the eyes, large, expressive, and slightly intense, showing Nancy's determination while keeping that playful cartoon exaggeration. Draw the nose curved upward, shaped almost like a small chili pepper. Later, we'll color it red for extra cartoon charm. Sketch the big mouth with clenched teeth showing, emphasizing her fearless, battle-ready expression. Shape the lips carefully. If the mouth were closed, they would form a delicate heart shape. Draw the face with exaggerated curves, rounded cheeks following the shape of the mouth. The hair will cover the ears, so we don't need to detail them. Add the full, voluminous hair, loose and flowing with big retro curves. Nancy Wheeler is portrayed by actress Natalia Dyer in Stranger Things. The series was created by the Duffer Brothers. Stranger Things premiered on Netflix in 2016. The story takes place in the fictional town of Hawkins, Indiana. Draw the headband tied around her forehead, visible beneath the bangs and flowing backward, a clear tribute to Rambo, especially referencing her bold look heading into the final confrontation with Vecna. Sketch a thin, elongated neck to enhance the caricature proportions. Nancy begins the series as a high school student, but evolves into a brave and determined investigator. She becomes known for her strong leadership during dangerous situations. Draw the torso with an open military-style jacket, and underneath it, a simple high-necked shirt. If any step feels challenging, pause the video and take your time. There's no rush. Drawing should always be fun and relaxing. In Season 4, Nancy plays a major role in confronting Vecna. Vecna is one of the most powerful villains in the Upside Down. Shape the hips in a rounded, cartoon style, spherical. Draw the left leg long and awkward in full rubber hose style, ending in a tall retro cartoon boot. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our full Stranger Things playlist. Just click the card above. And tell me in the comments, which Stranger Things character should we draw next in retro cartoon style? Sketch the right leg equally exaggerated, also ending in a tall retro boot. This leg is resting on top of an Acme equipment crate. Acme is a fictional company famously used in Looney Tunes cartoons, especially in Wile E. Coyote sketches. The blend of horror, friendship, and nostalgia helped Stranger Things become a global phenomenon. Nancy's character arc highlights courage, growth, and resilience under pressure. Draw the wooden Acme crate, adding plaque details and the bold Acme lettering on the side as a tribute to classic Looney Tunes cartoons. The upside down is a dark parallel dimension connected to Hawkins. The show is heavily inspired by 1980s pop culture and horror films. The characters frequently reference Dungeons and Dragons, which inspired many monster names like the Demogorgon and Vecna. Nancy's tougher, more combat-ready look in later seasons reminded many fans of classic 80s action heroes like Rambo. Create the left arm forming a smooth rubber hose curve, ending in a gloved cartoon hand resting confidently on her hip. Draw the right arm curving upward, finishing in a matching gloved hand holding a rocket. Sketch the Acme rocket with a lit fuse at the top, adding a small spark to show it's active, keeping things fun and family-friendly. For colors, use warm brown hair, a red headband, green jacket, orange shirt, blue pants, black boots, and a red rocket. But you can color your drawing any way you like. And here's our Nancy, brave, bold, and ready for battle in full retro cartoon style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.